What is up, YouTube? I am back again in the ShedFat kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken breast. And I know this sounds super easy to make, but this technique that I'm gonna be showing you today is gonna make all the difference when it comes to how moist your chicken breast comes out to be. It's very simple, only a few ingredients required. This recipe is totally customizable. You can change out the seasonings, you can change out the oil that you're using to cook the chicken in. So if you guys like this recipe, please make sure to leave us a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll be sure to have more great recipes to come. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so my first tip when it comes to preparing the best chicken breast you've ever had is to make sure that your chicken breast is all one even layer and the same thickness. You don't want too thick of a chicken breast. That way your chicken breast isn't gonna cook evenly. You're gonna have raw chicken on the inside and then a burnt crust on the outside, and then it's just not gonna be good to eat. When making sure that your chicken breast comes out moist and delicious is to make sure that your chicken breast is very dry before you cook it. So what I like to do is just take some paper towels and pat dry my chicken and take out all the moisture. This is a key step when making sure that your chicken breast comes out moist. You can even put your chicken in the fridge if you have time. Just leave it in the fridge uncovered and it will dry out all of the moisture. Make sure you flip it over and get both sides. Next comes our seasoning. I'm sticking to salt and pepper just to make things very simple, basic, and easy for you guys. And you want to be generous with the salt, just so that you can ensure that the flavor is going to be, really good. So I'm just using some pink Himalayan salt. It has a lot of minerals. It's really good for us, but really you can use sea salt if you like, or any type of salt that you like. And then just a little bit of pepper. And then you want to flip it over and do the same thing on both sides. So I'm going to be using some olive oil, just so that the chicken doesn't stick to the pan. Okay, another tip is you don't want to crowd your pan. Your pan needs to have just the right amount of chicken in it. You don't want your chicken overlapping each other because then it's not going to cook evenly. We're just going to let it do its thing for about 3 to 4 minutes. Depending on how hot your pan is. And then once you see this white starting to form, that's when you know that your chicken is ready to flip. Also, if your chicken releases really easily and it's not still stuck to the pan, that means it's ready to flip. So you don't want to overcook it, and this is really key when you're doing your meal prep, because if you overcook your chicken now, when you try to heat it up a few days later, it's going to be super dry. You can see that it's developed a little bit of a crust, which is perfect. And then this step is pretty important as well. We're going to add it to a bowl and then we're going to just cover it with foil. So that way all of the juices are going to stay locked in the chicken. It's going to continue to cook a little bit while it's still wrapped in the foil, and this is what's going to make it and keep it pretty juicy and delicious. It's going to have released some juices. So yeah, it's cooked from the inside. It has a nice layer on the outside, and it's going to be perfect for your weekly meal prep. You can add it to salads, like I said. You can add it to stir fry. You can just have it on its own. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you guys found this recipe helpful. I hope you guys try this out next time you are meal prepping. Let us know in the comment section down below if you did end up trying out this recipe. And like I said, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.